What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be taking a look at the Bellroy Field Notes cover, and this is actually their Notebook Core Mini. A nice leather sleeve or field cover basically for field notes, so you can carry this with you and take notes on the go. Also add some wallet features as well. So this comes in this nice little casing, as you can see here. The Field Notes Notebook Core Mini, Bellroy Field Notes. So definitely nice little packaging that it comes in. Let's toss that aside. Does not come with this pin, but I'll show you how this actually works. So you get this really nice cover from Bellroy here. As you can see, nice leather. It's got stitching, just beautiful, beautiful. And you can get this in a couple different colors. So let's open this up. And as you can see, it does have a field notes in here, so you can take notes. Now this one's the grid, but you can get a couple different ones. And nice little leather. So what you can do is you can throw your pen in here like so. You know, keep it like this, carry it with. Keep it in your pocket, get your pen handy. Now pen doesn't come with. Then inside of here, we've got a nice little area for cards, cash, notes, what have you. So I can put easily 4 cards in here, be it, you know, IDs, gift cards, credit cards, whatever. I stash a little cash. Also got my little gym pass in here. All that in one little neat stow and go field notes cover. So definitely a nice item from Bellroy. Bellroy has high quality goods, not just field note covers. Check out their website in the links below. I'll also have a link to where you can pick this up. But they produce bags, cases, wallets, you name it. High quality leather gear. We've checked out quite a few things from Bellroy on this show, and none of them have disappointed. Even key rings. Just high quality gear that you can definitely put into your everyday carry, much like this. This is going into my EDC because I just love to have planning and things to do, my tasks written down. And like I said, this is like my inbox throughout the day. Somebody says something, I read an email, something comes up, somebody asks me something, I think of something, then boom, I just jot it down in my personal inbox, and then I knock it out as I can. Something that takes very little time, I knock out quick. Other things take a little planning, take a little time. I have in my inbox, personal inbox, to use and utilize, all right here. And I review it and go through it every day because I carry it on me. Perfect. Again, show notes, check it out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.